Do you want to update the BIOS of your Asus gaming laptop? In this video, you will see how to update the Asus BIOS from the USB drive. Download the BIOS update. The first thing you need to do is to visit the Asus website. Here, hover your mouse over the Support tab and select Drivers and Manuals. Now here, search for your product by entering the model number or manually select it from the list. Then click on the Drivers and Manuals. Now on the next page, go to BIOS and Firmware. Here, download the BIOS Flash utility for your PC. Once you have downloaded the file, you will have to prepare the USB drive. Plug in your USB drive and make sure it doesn't have any important data, as you will have to format the drive. So right-click on your USB drive and select Format. You will have to format the drive with the FAT32 file system, as your BIOS setup won't recognize the NTFS format. So you need to format the drive with FAT32 format. Select FAT32 from the file system. Here, make sure you select the Quick Format option. Then click on Start. Once the drive is formatted, it is ready for the BIOS update. The BIOS update you have downloaded needed to be extracted. So right-click on the BIOS update and extract it to the USB. The BIOS version that I have downloaded is for my Asus laptop. The extracted files contain only one file. However, some other models' BIOS versions have two files. One is the BIOS update package, and the other one is BIOS renamer. If that is the case, you will have to run the BIOS renamer.x. This file will rename the update package according to your motherboard so that the motherboard can recognize the update package. After running it, your USB drive is ready. Now restart your PC. While restarting, you will have to enter the BIOS. For most of the Asus PC, the key to enter BIOS is Delete or F2, so press that key. You will see the BIOS setup. Go to the Tools section and select Asus Easy Flash Utility. Here, select the USB drive from the list, and then click on the BIOS update file. Now here, read the instructions and click Yes to flash your BIOS driver. Here, confirm the action again by clicking on Yes. The PC will restart, and now you don't have to press any button. The system automatically goes to the BIOS and starts the update process. Once the update process completes, it will ask that your PC will restart. Click OK. Now after the restart, you can see that the BIOS is updated to the recent version. Note that all your settings will reset to default, so if you have made any changes to the settings, you will have to do that again. That's it for this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them below. And share this useful video with your friends and family. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to press the bell button to receive alerts for videos on Windows tips and tricks.